Alright you guys, it's Brandon with BMC Review, back with another video, and today we have the Nike SB Dunk Night of Mischief. I did have an unboxing film somewhere, I don't know where that went, so we're just going to skip over that. But it does come with the tissue paper, and the shoes come in a bag, which I don't think is correct. But then it also comes with this little Nike sheet that's all in Chinese. So, other than that, it didn't come with anything. Like, it didn't come with any StockX tags or anything like that. Box is a little dented up, but not too bad. I've definitely seen worse. So now taking a closer look at the shoes. The bag does say Nike at least. Now taking a look here at the left shoe. It seems to have all of the little details. And it does come with like the extra laces. Like the stitching and the glue all seem pretty good. I haven't noticed any big quality issues. And then it does have the fake zoom stack. One thing I am noticing, as you can see, there is like the connecting stitching. You can see the letters are connected a little bit. Minor detail, but I'm sure the real ones aren't like that. And this shoe, it's basically the same thing. But overall, for $50, I'm pretty happy with them, especially considering it did come with the box. As of right now, I don't recommend anyone order anything through ePacket. ePacket is taking unbelievably long times. I've had 2 or 3 things now that have been sent ePacket that I've waited 3+ months for. And in that time, I did get refunded through Dhgate, but I still received the product months later. I also recommend staying away from new sellers that have very little feedback. Mostly I look for sellers that have multiple thousands of feedback from different people and have over like a 95% review rating. I'm going to be doing a video here soon on how to find legitimate Dhgate sellers that you can trust. And stay tuned for the giveaway. for the giveaway this week, we're going to be doing a pair of Easy 350 replicas with real boost in your size. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And then in the comment, go ahead and put what size you wear and where you're located. I am limiting this giveaway to the United States only, as I don't know the import laws on counterfeit goods for other countries. So there is that limitation, but that's the only limitation there is. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.